One of the essential tools that you really should have when you're fly fishing is a pair of forceps. They have the obvious use of getting the hook out of a fish. You know, when a fish gets a fly down a little bit more in its mouth, you can't really get your fingers in there. You can bring your forceps down inside, get some leverage, and pull that hook out. But forceps have other uses as well. Some of them have little cutters on them so that you can cut knots with them. And one of the ways that I use forceps a lot is to debarb a hook. So this hook is not barbless, and I want to fish barbless. So all I have to do is come in here with the flat front end of the forceps and just press down, move the hook a little bit, and I'll have a barbless hook. That's all there is to it. And you know, some people will actually tie knots with their forceps. There's ways of tying some of the more difficult knots using forceps to twist the line. I don't do it, but a lot of people do. And then another use for forceps is when you got a box of dry flies like this that's got all kinds of little flies in there, and you want to pick one out. It's awfully tough to put your fat fingers in that fly box, but you can use your forceps to grab the fly you want and pull it out. So a lot of uses for forceps. They're handy to have, and I think that if you're going to be fly fishing, you need a pair of forceps. Well, that's the first fish on the mouse. It's always an exciting eat when they take a mouse fly. It's just so visual, and the fish get really excited about it. Nice brown trout.